What's going on, guys? It's Hookemupt. We just pulled up to Lake Tawakoni. We're about to get the boat in the water, see if we can't get on some nice largemouth bass. I'm out here with my brother.
What's up, guys?
About to see if we can't get on them, man. Looks pretty good this morning. About to see if we can't get on a nice bite. It's Hookemupt. I'll see you guys out on the water. I just got here. Second cast on that grande bass. Whew. Crush crawl, baby, black and blue. Straight up out of the sticks. I'm out here with my brother, Cason. Yes, sir. We out here. Woo. Bro, that's a tank, bro.
God, bro, put the belly on. That might actually be 5 pounds, you think?
It could be, bro.
Oh, mama, baby. We just need to see how much it weighs.
Bro, I'm shaking.
I'd actually probably be like nervous as heck.
Bro, that's second cast, bro. £3. She looks bigger than that. 410, guys. 410. Let's go. That's a nice fish, bro. One more. All right. We need to get some more, bro. Look at this big mama. 4 pounds, baby. There she goes. Give me some. Let's go. You seen that? Don't be. Look. What do you want tied on? You want a spinnerbait? Low key, that's what we need to be throwing. It's windy right now. Got one. That's a nice one too. Oh my God, Cason, it's another giant. Watch out, scoot back, scoot your chair back.
Your back?
Yeah, scoot. Cason. All right, you're good, you're good. Oh yeah, let's go.
That's a different one, I can tell.
Yeah, it is. Let's go. Y'all see it, guys. Another one. Another one. God. Nah, we're good, bro. Will you get more pictures of me? Cason.
Sure. Get him out here to take pictures.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
You let it go right by my phone. You think that motherfucker will jump back on?
No.
You don't think so?
He won't. He's not gonna bite again today. Y'all see it, guys? 3-2. Another one. Let's go, baby.